Hello, it's Gem Games here once again, and in this video we're going to make the restart level work. We are adding a little confirmation window so when we accidentally press this, that we don't straight away restart the level without asking again, So yeah, let's get started. First we want to go to the HUD folder and we want to create a new user interface widget blueprint. Okay, now we want to, the class will be user widget, and let's call this confirmation pop up, something like that. We are calling it confirmation pop up because we will later on use the same widget for confirming other things. Okay, so let's open it. And the first thing, like always, we have to add a canvas panel like this. And now what we want to add is a border. Add it to here. Now let's anchor it to the full screen and let's reset all these offsets. So 0, 0, 0, 0, like that. Now we want to go to the brush here, not to the content color and opacity. Here, tint under the brush, and we want to change the color to black and the alpha to 0.95. Okay, I want it to show something through, it will be a little bit see-through, Okay, the next thing what we want to do, we want to get the vertical box. Okay, and we want to rename this to rows. After that we want to get a horizontal box. Sorry, actually we want to get the size box first. Let's get a size box. Now let's call this size box row 1. And now we want to get a horizontal box. So horizontal box, and let's move it to the row, not to the row 1, rows. And let's call this horizontal box row 2. Row 2, like that. Okay, here on row 1, what we want to do, we want to change this size to here on the width override, and on the height override we want to change this width to, let's make it 1920. Oh yeah, so it's basically the width of the full screen, and the height, let's make it like 75. Okay, and let's align it to the center, and let's make it fill so it will be on the center. Okay, actually we don't have to do it this way, so sorry, let's put it back to auto and this like that. Okay, so the next thing what we want to do is we want to compile, save and move this next to the first person map. Now let's go to the first person map and let's open the pause menu widget. And here, let's actually move this pause menu left here to the middle, like that. Okay, and now we want to right click on the resume button. Actually, we want to, you want to select the resume button from the list here, not the text, but the button. And you want to right click and copy. Now let's go to the confirmation pop-up. And here on the row 2, let's select the row 2, and we want to add a size box there also. Oh, we want to move it to the row 2, like that. Okay, now we want to call this slot 1, and we want to change this width and height to width to 250 and height to 75. Okay, and what else? We want to click this right align horizontally, like this. Okay, and fill. Now we want to duplicate this slot 1, and call it slot 2. Okay, and here we want to set this left align horizontally, like this. So they're in the middle, but next to each other, like that. Now on the slot 1, we want to paste resume button. Let's call this, rename this resume button to yes button. Oh, shit, what did I do? Yes button, like, fuck. Let's try again. Button, like that. Oh, I cannot rename it because, okay, yeah, I will have to add something there and rename it now. Okay, now it works. Now, the text, we want to rename this to yes text. Okay, and now here on the yes text, I want to set this alignment to the middle, and I want to change this text to yes. Now I want to copy this yes button and paste it to the slot 2. Now I want to rename this yes button to no button. Text to no text, like that. And now let's also change the text. No, like that. Okay, the next thing what we want to do, we want to actually copy this, for example, this no text from here. Copy it, only the text, not the button. Now we want to paste it to the row 1. Okay? And here on the row 1, I want to change this text to are you sure you want to restart level or something like that. Oh, I cannot write level. Well, you can write whatever you want, and later we will make this as variable, so we can like change it according to where we want to use this pop-up. Okay, now let's rename this text to, for example, question text or something like that, so it's easier to remember. Let's compile, save. Now we want to select rows, and we want to align it to the middle, horizontally and vertically, like that. So as you can see, the whole pop-up is now on the middle part of the screen. So the next thing what we want to do, we want to go to the graph. We want to delete everything from here. We want to compile, we want to save all, and now we want to go back to the pause menu, and we want to go also to the graph. And here we have all these all this code that we play when we hover or unhover over a button. We want to copy all this without the events. Control C. Let's go to the confirmation pop-up and Control V, like that. Let's delete the resume text from here. Now let's copy all this again and paste it one more time, like this. Okay, now for the top one, what we want to get the yes text. And we have to connect it to here and also to here. Okay, now for the bottom one, we want to get no text. And we want to connect it to the top one and to the bottom one, like that. Compile and save. Now we want to select our yes button, and we want to on-click, press that, and yes button again, and on-click, I'm stupid. Yes button on hovered, and yes button on unhovered, and also no button on hovered and no button on unhovered. Now let's get the yes button ones and move them up here. Now of course we want to put the yes to the top, align it with this node, and the unhovered yes to the bottom, like that. And the same thing for the no. So you want to get these no button on hovered to the top and on unhovered to the bottom, like that. Okay, so let's compile, save. Now, what else we want to do here? We want to select the yes button once more, and on clicked, we want to get that, move it beside the hovering thing. Let's actually move this no thing a little bit further down. And here on the yes, what we want to do now is we actually, yeah, we want to just get the execute console command node, and we want to execute the command big capital R restart level, like this. So restart level with a capital R. Okay, and on the no button on clicked, let's move it to here also, like this, like that, and the alignment is correct. Okay, and here on the no, what we want to do is we want to just call the remove from parent, like that. Okay, let's compile, let's save, and let's go back to the pause menu. And now let's go to the, oh sorry, we can just select the restart button from here. And do we, yeah, we actually have already added the restart on click to here. But if you can find it by clicking the restart from here and on click, if you press this, it will take you to this node. Okay, here what we want to do, we want to create widget, and the widget that we want to create is the pop-up thing that we just created. So we're confirmation pop-up, and let's just add to viewport like always. Let's actually make this our favorite. Okay, compile, save, and now if we go to play and we press M for pause and restart, we will get this. Actually, this for some reason doesn't look so good. We will have to change one thing. Let's go back to the confirmation pop-up and to the designer. And here on the row 2, for example, let's add some padding to the top, so like 20 or 25. I think, yeah, 25 is okay. Okay, like that. Let's compile, save, and try again. So, restart. Okay, now it looks better. And as you can see, the hovering effect is working. If we press no, we will go back to the screen, add to the menu. And if we press yes, we are back on the game. But why does this not work? Oh, I think it's because of the... I'll show you. So let's go to the GM zombies, so to our game mode. And here we have this quick start enabled. Let's make it false. I think it for some reason doesn't work with the quick start. Compile, save, and let's play. Now when we don't have the quick start, yeah, we can play now. Let's try. Restart. Yes. Okay, let's see if it works. It should. And yeah, it works. Let's try once more. And yeah, it is working. So yeah, guys, I think that was all for this video. If you liked the video, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one. Bye.